What is up, everybody? By the title, you probably know that this is going to be a makeup tutorial themed by anxiety. I still had no idea what I'm gonna do yet. So yeah, figure out what colors represent anxiety. Okay, so red, orange, and yellow. Excuse me? Oh, blue, too. Sustained anxiety. School. This is actually like the first time in like 2 weeks I haven't styled my hair in a braid, but it's in a messy bun, so fix yourself, will you? Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be perfectly honest. I'm only making a YouTube video because I needed a break from math homework. Because it's math. I'm good at math, but math is anxiety. I need tea. Also, if I ever run out of blueberry tea, the world just might end. Like, blueberry tea and coffee is what keeps me sane. This is my first cup of tea, and then I already had a cup of coffee today. I need to drink water. No, and I wonder why I'm always breaking out. Wild guess! Tap. Okie doke. So, still don't have a great idea of what I'm doing, but I do know that I'm doing like everything but eyeshadow and probably something on my lips, because let's be real, y'all came here for the eyeshadow, so I'll be right back. You know what? I've decided to just make this real quick, like snap edits. So, primer. Wait. Moisturizer. Primer. How do I always lose my foundation? Foundation Savory Minerals Warm No. 1. Foundation brush. Wait. Concealer first. Now foundation. Bronzer. Blush. Highlighter. Silently dye inside because a fragrance gives you headaches. Brush down the brows. Fill in lay brows. Dye a little more inside because they aren't the right color. Fix bad color. That's a bit better. I still don't like them. Looks like we're dealing with Sharpie brows today. And now we're somewhat through. Finally, we're going to use the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette because it's the most colorful one I own. Apply some concealer to the eyes, but I don't own a light concealer, so it's just gonna have to work. Now that my eyelids lack the color flesh and look like they've been painted over, now we can go in with the eyeshadow. We're going to start with our lightest color. Yellow. We're going to choose the goldenrod orangish color right here because we want a darker yellow that's closer to orange, that way it can blend closer into it. That made sense. Pack the color on until you hit the mid-lid. Now that I look like the ghost of Coachella, we're gonna go in with orange. We're gonna go in with this color right here for a slightly lighter, more vibrant orange to stimulate the anxiety more. Pat that in from the mid-lid to the outer corner of your lid and eye. Finally, we're going to go in with a red. We are going to go in with this color red right here, the darkest color, but not a shimmery color, to the outer lid. We're going to want to be a little more careful with this one because we're going to want it to come into an angle later. Finally, take some more of the same color red and blend it into your crease. We're going to go back in with a cleaner brush to go back over the yellow in the same color. The yellow color, not the red. Go back in with the shade of orange, over the orange. Now that it looks like our eyes are on fire from the lack of sleep, we're gonna go in with a blue eyeliner. We're going to go in with this blue right here, since it's like the blue light that keeps you up at night, that stimulates your brain, and you can't fall asleep because you can't get off your phone and you have a blue light on your charger. Finally, we're gonna take some tape and apply it from here to the end of our brows. That way we can get a nice wing. There we go, I think. I don't know. Be happy because your eyeliner actually looks somewhat okay. Grab your mascara to hide the anxiety colored eyeshadow. Finally, go in with a lavender lip balm because the lavender will calm your nerves. The lip balm will keep your lips from getting chapped, hopefully. Go in with a lavender lip balm, that way the scent can help calm you. The lip balm itself can hopefully fix your lips, and something will look somewhat normal, or you'll feel normal, that way you'll think people aren't looking at you. And there you have it. Anxiety as in look, I think. I don't know. Is this a look? I don't know. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. This was a way for me to feel productive, even though I'm not doing my schoolwork right now, but I needed a break. This is my definition of a break. So yeah, have fun with your new eyeshadow looks, and I hope you can do it correctly, because I don't know. I try to do other YouTubers' tutorials and I fail miserably. So if you want to see me try to recreate one from another beauty YouTuber that's a lot bigger than I am, because schedules. Upload schedules. Well, just hit the like button. Adios. Bye.